Hello and welcome to today's MSAB Monday. I'm Adam Furman, Tech Evangelist here at MSAB. Today we're having a look at MSAB's XAMN Pro, and we're going to look at a very handy feature that is going to help you be targeted in your investigation. So if we pop along and have a look at all artifacts, we're inundated with the amount of artifacts on this case, and a lot of them may not be relevant. So one of the features that we've looked at previously is if you're dealing with multiple exhibits, is the data sources filter. We're going to pop down one and we're going to have a look at the time filter. So we can invoke a time filter here and you can see some predefined ones, or we can add a custom. But we can also invoke from the top menu here the timeline button. As we press timeline, we're going to see a timeline appear at the top of our artifacts list. This is going to allow us to narrow down when we want to review data. You can see here, if I was to click 2023, it's just going to bring back artifacts from 23. But what I can do is if I hover my mouse over 23 and I now use the scroll button on my mouse, I can zoom in. And I'm now looking at it per month. I can drill further and look at it per day. And if I hover over the 21st of July and use my scroll button again, you can see I'm now actually getting times. I'm now getting artifacts just for 10 AM on the 21st of July. Hopefully you can see how simple this was to achieve, and you'll join us again soon for some more hints and tips. Thank you.